So now we have looked at learning intention and the steps we need to take in order to reach or complete that learning intention. Let's have a look at some examples and questions. So we've got here £1, £2, £5, £10, £20 and £50. And the question says, what do you notice? Now if you think about it, because there aren't any pictures there, it's getting you to look at the value of these numbers. And you need to think about maybe if you look at the 5, 10, 20 and £50, you would notice that they are all in notes. They're all notes. And the £2 and the £1, they are coins. So two of these have to be made with coins. Now we have here some money. Now if we think back to our steps that we need to remember to count money, we need to think about adding the biggest number first. So it's easy to add them if I place the greatest value of the notes first. So the biggest value that we have there, or the greatest value, is 20. Then it's the 5, then it's the 1. So then we add them together. 20 add 5 is 25, add 1, £26. Okay, so the next value of money that we have is here. Here we have £5 note, £2, £2 coin, and two £10. So if we are shown the pictures, then we can sort of count them as we go along. So we'd start off with the greatest value first. So we'll just cross them off as we go. So that's £10, £10. Then the next greatest value is the £5 and the £2. 10 add 10 is 20, 20 add 5 is 25, 25 add 2 is 27.